Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the cabin air filter on a 2007 Toyota Prius. This is a Generation 2 Prius, and the Toyota Prius is probably the easiest cabin filter to replace out of all the ones I've tried. Access it through the glove box. I'm replacing it with a Denso cabin air filter. This is stock number 453-1013. Let's start by clearing all this stuff out of the way. Let's open the glove box. Clear all the stuff out of there. That's the maintenance manual. Don't forget to update the maintenance manual with the date and the mileage at which you replace that cabin air filter. So push in on both sides, on this side and this side, to lower the glove box past its full stop, and then go to the side over here. There's a little hydraulic strut on the side here. You just want to pry that out and pop that out with your finger, and the glove box just falls off on its own. It's got these little catches here, right here and right here. They catch on a rod on the dash. Okay, now we have access to the filter box. There's two tabs, one on each side. Press those in, pull it straight out. Notice there's a mark on the corner here with an arrow pointing up. And we're just going to push the filter out. Look at all the dirt that was in there. Here's a new filter. I'm impressed. The new filter came with an instruction book in about 5 or 6 different languages. There's more instructions here than I got with my IKEA bunk bed. Required tools, safety goggles, and hand tools. You don't need any of that. I don't know why you would need safety goggles to install a cabin air filter. It does say to disconnect the battery ground cable. You don't have to do that either. It does say to run the engine on and run the blower on high speed to listen to abnormal air noises from the air filter area, and I think that's a good idea. You want to check this area around the air filter housing to make sure this gasket is still in good condition. There's just a little foam gasket going around there, and reach in there inside with your hand around the blower. See if the blower turns freely and if there's any leaves or any other objects in there. Let's see if I can get in there closer for you. Right in there is where I'm talking about. Blower is turning freely. And there's no debris in there. I think I'll get a little damp rag and clean it off because it is dusty in there. And once it's set in place, just slide it back in till it catches. That's it. Be careful that you don't disturb any of these wires here. They look pretty important. And also on this little, I don't know what you call it, kind of like a hydraulic cylinder to keep the glove box from falling too swiftly. Note the orientation, because sometimes these fall off, so you use the lower hole of the cylinder to attach to the peg that's in the car, and then you've got the loose end here, right there, that goes into the glove box peg. Okay, we're going to catch the lower hooks on the rods. Push that in. And we're going to catch this rod. Goes on the side right there. Let me move the camera. Now push up past the resistance of the two catches. Might have to push in on the sides to get past those. And that's it. It's in. Test it. Okay, got the engine running with the fan on high. Not getting abnormal noises. Don't forget to update your maintenance log. That's a requirement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.